Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Clone Trooper Mayday. Firstly, the left leg and the right arm come from Mace Windu. Next, the right leg came from this Hoth Rebel. The torso, hands, head and right arm come from the Phase 1 Clone Trooper. The bag comes from Rise of Skywalker Poe Dameron. And finally, the poncho comes from Obi-Wan Kenobi. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure, but this is what it should look like. Overall, I am quite content with this minifigure, however I wish there was a way to wrap the cloth around his helmet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you've liked the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done either of those already, and maybe leave an idea if you have one.